In conclusion, it's important to note that all of the assets that we have created in this course, we have created primarily with one ChatGPT conversation. And you'll see it here marked at the bottom on our left side menu. What we've done is we've leveraged this in getting responses with ChatGPT to complete our entire project. We are now going to complete this project by writing an opt-in email for individuals that have received the free report and then to remind them that there is a product that they can purchase that will help them beyond the scope of the lead magnet. We are going to give ChatGPT the prompt in order to do it. So we are going to give several elements to the prompt. And we're going to bring those elements in. And basically, now that we have the elements of our prompt, we are now going to click enter so that we can get our opt-in email. Now, one of the things you'll note about the opt-in email is that the chatbot remembered our support link. We didn't have to tell it what that support link is. And that has everything to do with us using the context that we have created inside of one conversation. And so if you're going to be working with a specific project, it's a good idea to try to do all of that project inside of one conversation. At the same time, though, you want to make sure that you're saving everything that you do, since there is the possibility that ChatGPT could lose that information. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video, in another update, or another course.